Welcome to our tutorial on how to share your new job on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. 1. Start by launching the Facebook app on your Android device. 2. Tap on the What's on Your Mind section to begin creating a new post. 3. Scroll down and select Life Event from the options available. 4. Choose Work from the list of life events. 5. Select New Job to announce your recent career move. 6. Tap on Add an Employer and then select your workplace along with the date when you started the new job. 7. Tap Next at the top right corner to proceed. 8. Utilize the audience selector to decide who you want to share this update with. 9. Finally, tap Post at the top right corner to inform your Facebook friends and connections about your new job. By following these steps, you can celebrate your career advancement and share your achievements with your social network on Facebook. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in explaining how to post about your new job on Facebook. Keep your friends and followers updated on your professional milestones and successes by following these simple steps. Stay connected and engaged with your network through this feature on Facebook.